Hey, it's Keith Akada here. I'm super excited that you're watching this, and hopefully, this makes a difference to paying your mortgage off faster and achieving the goals that you want of having your house owned free and clear, or for rental property to get it to improving cash flow, right? So, a couple parameters just to point out, you're going to use the loan balance. You can use the original loan balance that you have or the current, totally up to you. I always like to use the original terms of how everything started. That way, this calculation comes out accurate. So let's just say you have your mortgage. I'm going to use a $500,000 mortgage balance. When I first, again, you can go back to your original statement, your first statement, or go back on your mortgage statement history. Whatever the interest rate is, I'm just going to use 6.75. And my first, or excuse me, the term here is a 30-year. It can be a 15 or 20-year, whatever your mortgage is. And then, of course, what was the start date? So in this example, I'm just using today's date. So, or excuse me, the January 1st, I'm so sorry. So here you can see it automatically calculated your principal and interest. This is not your tax and insurance off a 30-year fixed. And what I've done to make this a little bit more simple, and I apologize, I'm not the guru at Excel, but let's say we're going to make one additional payment. You can see it's on the month of December that's highlighted every year forward for you to plug it in. So all you'd have to simply do is plugging in 3242.99. And then for all you gurus out there of Excel, you know how to make this way easier, but you could just simply copy that, right? You'd copy that number. I'm so sorry. And then you just simply go in and keep hitting paste or Control V. Sorry, I'm not trying to be the Excel expert. As you can see, you can keep going further. But here's the key thing. Each time that you plug it in, watch what happens to this principal balance. You're going to plug it in another payment, and then you're going to see the monthly payment. Gosh, you're going to see the monthly payment or the monthly principal balance. I'm sorry, reduce. So as you make each additional one, because it's calculating now interest off of a lower principal balance, that's what's accelerating the payoff, right? So if you continue to do this, when you get to the bottom, you're going to see that your payoff time frame has changed. And the beauty of this is each time you do it, you're going to see instead of 360 months, which is a 30-year fix, you're now paying it off in 336 months by just what we've did above. So this helps. You can play around with payments. You're going to, wow, Keith, you said December. That's Christmas. How am I going to do that? Easiest way to do this is just pull out your calculator, and we're going to simply just do one quick exercise. It's really simple to do this. And this is just, uh, you know, keeping it super simple, right? You take the payment, 3242.99, you divide that by 12 months, right? So now you're at $270.25, right? Let's just call it $270. Well, the beauty is you automatically set up a transfer in your bank account, set up a new savings or another account, whatever it is, and automatically transfer once a month that amount into that other account, right? So now you have it building each month. And then each year in December, voila, you got your monthly payment saved. Make that additional payment. Now, Keith, you're saying, well, I can make it anywhere, Keith. Yeah, you can do it anywhere you'd like. I just like to do it in December myself because it's like the Christmas gift that I didn't think about because this transfer was on auto transfer. And it's the gift that every year reminds me I'm getting closer to my goals. That's just me because I'm very goal oriented and I like to have something that I'm looking forward to. And having mortgages paid off and having uh, cash flow increase on rental properties is a huge goal of mine for my legacy I'm leaving to my family. So I hope this helped you in your goals. Please let me know if you have any questions. If you figure out how to manipulate this Excel spreadsheet even more to make it more user friendly, I would be so humbled and thankful if you'd share because I've done my best here to create this. But again, thank you. Any questions? I'm here. Have a great day.